Good morning, happy Saturday. I realized on my last video that my camera footage wasn't good. I was filming on my phone, the camera from my phone, so you all didn't get a chance to see very clearly what was on my list. So anyways, my plan today is to go grocery shopping for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is on Thursday and today is Saturday, so I don't have that many days, and I want to make sure that I get everything done that's on my list and that I don't have to worry about it a couple of days before. I'm anticipating the grocery stores to be very packed today, so I'm gonna go a bit early so that way I can get everything off of my list and I won't have to go from store to store. I'm not gonna show myself today because I'm not I just woke up and I'm not dressed, I'm not ready or whatever. I feel like I look terrible. So but what I'm doing right now is I kind of cleaned out all of my coupons and I got everything together, and now I'm going to cross out what's on my list of the things that I already have, so that way I don't have to double spend and that way I can save money. So just taking a really good look at my list. I have turkey breast, ham, cornbread, frozen string beans, cream of mushrooms, Campbell's cheddar, fried onions, frozen broccoli, deep dish pie crust, eggs, milk, butter, rolls, whipped cream, marshmallows, brown sugar, cranberry sauce seasoning blend, sweet potatoes, onion, celery, green beans. And so I got my turkey, so I'm going to cross that off of my list, and then I'm gonna cross this because instead of me using evaporated milk, I'm just gonna use regular milk, which is just as good. Butter I have, so I'm not gonna worry about that. I have brown sugar and then seasoning blend. I'm crossing that out. And then I do have my onions already. So I have to get the rest of the things that's on my list. And just to recap what I plan on cooking for Thanksgiving is turkey breast, ham, cornbread dressing, green bean, casserole, yam casserole, broccoli and cheese casserole, which I'm kind of thinking about 86 in that, rolls, and sweet potatoes. So far my budget is $35. I spent $4.22 on my turkey, and then I have $30.78 left to spend for today. So I went in the other day, I ran in and grabbed a paper and a sales paper, and then I kind of went to see what was on sale, and then hopefully you all can see this. And so there's a few things that's on my list that I plan on getting. So here, the sweet potatoes are 39 cents a pound, so that will cover the yam casserole and the sweet potato pie. So I'm gonna get that, and let's see what else. There's a lot of tempting things on here, so I'm not gonna end up tempting myself. And it's not much that's in here. As a matter of fact, they don't have a really great sale for Thanksgiving. I circled this because I plan on frying my turkey breast, and so here's the oil. They have it for 79 cents because there is an in-line coupon. Let's see what else. Here, the Campbell's cream of mushroom. I plan on buying that, and then that's going to be 79 cents. And then here, I kind of circled this one, the cranberry sauce. I'm going to look and see, and I'll probably have to go 2 stores to get this for as cheap as possible, because this deal is 3 for $5. I already have the stock, so I won't need any of that. So I don't want to have to end up double buying. And then, let's see, here, my frozen. So I'm going to get my green beans, and then probably broccoli and cheese casserole if I plan on cooking that. And see what I'm saying about deals that are tempting? I mean, we don't drink a lot of soda, but when we do, we would love to have it and not spend a lot of money on it. And then here I got, there is, hopefully y'all can see this, but there is the rolls that I plan on getting that I use every year for Thanksgiving, and then I just circle track that, so I'll have to get that too. So that's all that was on this list. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my Kroger app, and continue to plan my shopping trip, so that way I don't spend a lot of time or a lot of money. So right here, already they have that weekly ad downloaded, and it basically is the same thing that's in the grocery store. So it helps to, if you don't have time to run in there and get it, or you just want to see what's on sale, you can pull this. So the neat thing that I like about this is you can shop straight from this app to either add things in your cart, to go over there and pick it up, and add it to your cart, make all your purchases, and you can do a order your groceries online, or you can add it to your list to plan. So there's a few things that I'm going to add to my list. So here I'm going to add, those are the sweet potatoes, probably the vegetables. Let's see what else. Just a couple of things, view more items, and let's see. I really do need to get some bananas, but that's not the plan for this trip. Let's see. Oh, green onions. They have that on sale. I'm going to add that to my list. So on and so forth. So after you add everything to your list, right here, kind of totals up everything on your shopping list. So that's really good as far as planning. That's probably one of my favorite things of this app, is kind of go by your budget and add things in your cart based off of your budget for shopping. So I'm excited about using this, and I use it all the time, so it's something fun for me. So anyways, I'm going to go to the grocery store and get everything on my list, and talk to you later. Okay, so I just got back from the grocery store. I had to actually go to 2 grocery stores to find everything that I needed, but I think I'm done. I am complete. Although I want to say I'm done and I'm complete. It's surprisingly enough, the grocery stores weren't as busy as I thought it would be. So shopping was a breeze. I was able to get through the aisle and actually really find everything that's on my list, which is something that I'm really surprised about. So anyways, I'm going to show you what I got. So here we go. This is everything, and also too including the turkey breast that I purchased prior to. That was like a separate purchase a couple of days ago, and got yams, got the rolls, got the cornbread mix, the cranberry sauce, cream of mushroom, celery, green onions, pie crust, turkey, the drumsticks, because again, I'm not doing a whole turkey. But then I also got the green beans, the broccoli florets, the eggs, whipped cream, the marshmallows, and I got my ham, I got my peanut oil. So that is everything. Of course, I have some other things that I didn't have to purchase that I've already had in my closet. So I had some other things that I didn't have to purchase because usually those are the things that I keep in stock. So again, here is everything from my previous grocery haul. And so you're wanting to know how much I spent. So $35 was my budget. $35 is exactly what I want to, $35 is what I actually wanted to spend. And so my grand total ended up being $54.89. So I went about $19.89 over my budget, and the reason being is because of the peanut oil. The peanut oil was the most expensive purchase on the list, and I really wanted to do fried turkey this year, and I ended up getting well, actually the peanut oil and the ham was the most expensive purchase on this list. And if it wasn't for those 2 items, it would have brought me under the amount that I needed, because of course those 2 together were like $25. And those were the 2 items that I got on a separate purchase. So again, it was really fun doing this challenge. my next video, watch out for it. I'm going to show you exactly how I prepare my meals for Thanksgiving, and that will come out after Thanksgiving Day, of course, and it will go up sometime during the week. But again, it was fun, and I got a lot of things, and I didn't really want to cut back on some of the menu items. I just kind of this time really kept it simple, but I wanted to have a really delicious Thanksgiving. So again, it was fun, and I'll talk to you later.